Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to deactivate your Amazon account in 2025. Whether you're simplifying your online presence, switching to competitors, or just taking a break from shopping, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process easy and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you're logged into your Amazon account using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. It's often smoother on a desktop, so if you can, use that. Once logged in, look for the Account and Lists drop-down menu in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to expand the options. Next, select Account from the menu. This will take you to your account settings page. Scroll down until you find the Login and Security section. It's usually towards the middle. Here, you'll see an option labeled something like Close your Amazon account. Go ahead and click on that. Amazon will then prompt you to explain why you're leaving. You can choose from a list of reasons or skip it if available. This step helps them gather feedback, but it's not a deal breaker. After selecting your reason, you'll need to confirm your identity by entering your password again for security purposes. Once you've confirmed, Amazon will process your request, and your account will be deactivated. Keep in mind that this doesn't instantly delete all your data due to privacy laws, so if you're concerned about that, you might want to review and delete personal information separately. A quick tip: if you have any ongoing subscriptions or orders, cancel them first to avoid complications. Also, remember that you typically have a short window to reactivate your account if you change your mind. Just check Amazon's Help Center for the latest details in 2025. There you have it. Deactivating your Amazon account is simpler than you might think. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more helpful guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.